कोई भी मुआशरा इंतशार का मुतहम्मिल नहीं हो सकता। मुल्क में अमन के लिए सियासी जमातों को मिलकर कानून साजी करनी चाहिए। वज़ीर आज़म अनवार काकड़ का इस्लामाबाद में पुलिस के साबिक इंस्पेक्टर जनरल की 7वीं सालाना कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब। कहा, आइन के तहत कोई भी शख्स या गिरोह पुरतशद्दुद कार्रवाइयों में मुलव्वस नहीं हो सकता।
1,000 people in this country have been killed. What sort of legislation we have done in these 2 decades? Has anyone has courage to peek into this issue? Has anyone taken it to the political parties that this is the issue? We need a piece of legislation either way. I am very much pained the way we have handled this entire anti-terrorism campaign. A man who is willing to be violent in this society is at times treated as an equal shareholder with the state who has got the monopoly on violence. Let's decide it once and for all. And by the way, we have enshrined it in Constitution also, these all constitutional, the lovers of constitutionalism, that no individual or a group can raise a violent militia. The 1973 Constitution of Pakistan clearly enunciates that.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।